Well, good morning, everyone, at least in this game. Welcome back to Stardew Valley, my new Let's Play project. My first time with my new vtuber model I'm gonna use for now for all gameplays, interviews and co. And yeah. Welcome. Yes. Extra luck. That's good. We make some money. We have the second or third night, I can remember. It's been a few days, but it's raining, so we don't need to watering our plants. We have some fish. We can... But can we already... This is crafter. We can do a gate, wood fence, wood sign, chest. We need more woods. So I would say first thing we do is doing some wooding. And we have no place to put all these things, so yeah, we could buy the backpack, but it costs a few. What was this sound? It didn't sound that good. I have to be careful. I have to click something. Of course we can... Well, that's unfortunately. Okay. I would say... Oh, it's really like... It's so long, I didn't even know what we have done last time. We have here something, I didn't... Never knew what is... I don't know what is here going on. Something special will happen here someday, I don't know. So, even in my private game, I don't know what is going on. So, it's 9 o'clock. Did we meet everyone? A few of them. Yeah, most of the townsfolk is nice, definitely. But there's some interesting people too. Like this one. We met him, yes? Oh. Okay, I see. Yeah. Oh no, you're soaked. Yeah, of course I am. Robin. Hey there, Makoto. I was just daydreaming about some new carpentry projects. Are you going okay at your place? How's the woodwork and your cauldron holding up? And here we can buy shop wood, stone, windows and stuff. This is all what I mean. We can really do our house, as you can see, calendar, telephone, a few things, but I never did this. Bed, so fireplace. We can also cook. They bring us health and other things. So there's so much you can do. We can upgrade our house. Yeah, you can increase the size of your house and add a kitchen. It costs 10,000. Yeah, so these are things we can do. Limites. We so insulated from the rest of the world here in Stardew Valley. Maybe it's a good thing. We insulate. Okay. Yeah, sometimes they repeat themselves. There's 3. And again, they have all their... Okay, we cannot go there. They have all their, plans, their daily lives. When we get friends with them, we can, of course, go to their places. As I said, we can marry some of them. It's really so many things you can do. Yeah. Oh, and there's something else. You can say, yeah, Joya Cola, fool your life. The Joja market, the concern who will probably destroy the village here. But you can also join them. Mowers. Welcome to Jojo. Welcome to Jojo Market. How are you today? I don't believe we match. I'm Morris, Joja Custom Satisfaction Representative. When you decide you want to become a Joja member, you'll be delighted to help make your transition a joyous experience. Yes. We can really partner with them and stuff, so you can choose sides, you know, also. And I do this in a private play because I want to see, but on this, of course, I'm gonna not do this. And yeah, of course, we can get some Joja Cola. It gives us energy, but it's not good for our health, of course. And yeah, here's everything a little bit better from the price. Wise wallpaper, flooring. Shane's hard at work. He doesn't seem interested in talking. Yeah, this is the one. He's not the nicest, you can say. He is a little bit more the grumpy. I don't like him. That's why I don't talk to him. Times have been tough lately. I got laid off of my job as a bus driver. If I got a job back, I could drive you to Calico Desert. Some hinting? Nay. What am I going to do today? Probably nothing. I understand. Did you just... The flower is gone. Okay. Where are all the people? Because it's raining. Ah, you know what? There she is. I've heard rumors of rare and powerful magic rings forgot long ago by forgotten civilization. I'm not sure if it's true or just very eminent. Can we, Thank you, I'm feeling a positive energy from this gift. And now we have... yeah. Single. She's the one. Again, I think I'm gonna... Because I like her the mostly from the girls. She is the sister. She is more the... Yeah, not so... I mean... Hardly. I spent all morning doing my hair. Now the rain cold mess it up. Life is hard sometimes. Yeah, but here. Get a flower. For me? Thank you. And they're all of their interest, so this will not be a good present for someone else. So you have always be careful. But yeah. And we can talk to everyone. So really you can just do talking every day to all the people. Or you cannot talk to them. It doesn't matter. Let's go for the story, it's good. Did you wipe your boots off, Bokomium? Sorry, I just cleaned the floor. But you're always welcome in here. I want to look for bugs, but Mom gets mad when I'm all dirty. It's a tough choice. And here is Jamie. He is you're not good enough friends with Sam to enter his bedroom. So these are things, and then you can play these instruments a little bit and jam. I just love this game. I love games where you can do what you want and not limited. It's great. And there's still, I'm just in the beginning. Here's the other guy. My question is, no. We have no place. We have no place. It's a little bit difficult, but doesn't matter. So my question is, hello there, welcome to Stardew Valley Charlie K office. This is embarrassing, but the poet, yeah, we have a... Okay. Tips on farming. Use fertilizer to improve quality, reduce workload, or haste crop growth. Fruit trees take a whole season to grow, while they require very little maintenance. Keep the area directly around your new sampling clear, or else it may not grow properly. Crops will die as soon as the season ends, unless they grow in multiple seasons. Corn. Some crops, such as kale and wheat, need to be harvested with the seed. Yeah, a lot of information. Okay, this is always information. It's whacked, but still cute. Penny, we don't have a school here, but I'm doing my best to give Vince and Jess a proper education. Every child deserves a chance to be successful. Won't you? Thanks, this looks nice. Okay, the flowers are good for everyone. Yeah, she's very good at math and reading. Winston is good at, well, he has an active imagination. So that's what he can do. I'm stupid. I'm stupid because we have the geode and yeah. Of course we have to go to the blacksmith. Moin moin. No. Yeah, and of course it costs something. Compliment. Hi, I'm Clint. I'm the town blacksmith. If you ever need an upgrade your tools, I'm your guy. That's the thing. Giving gifts is a great way to build friendship. Yeah. Hi. Okay, I'm a minimal. Gunter can tell you. Okay, Gunter. Now we can go to the museum and talk to him. See? Epsy mirror. Not a single piece in the entire collection. Well, that's unfortunately. What's that? You found something? Let me see it. Remarkable. It's very old. I'll have to study this in greater details, but it's yours. I've got a favor to ask you. Would you consider donating any new artifacts or minerals that you found? We could make a groundbreaking discovery together. Oh, and who knows, if you keep donating, I might come across some interesting items to send your way. Think about it, will you? If you decide to donate, just bring the objects to the front desk. Thank you, my friend. I will consider that. Yeah, that's the thing. So you have to do certain thing to trigger. But I will keep this. Okay, I think it's a great idea. Now she goes to her next task, you can say. And love all their personalities and... Of course, some of them it's cliche, but for this game, doesn't really matter. Good afternoon, Lee. Hello. Nice. Hi there, Michael. Taking a break? Yeah. I hope the river doesn't overflow. This morning, I accidentally stepped on a bug. Yeah, it's not so nice. Bim, ba-dim, 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 bim. We have no place, still no place, but we need stone. You know what? I'm gonna work on my place. I think we have met the most of the people. Let's see. Yeah, the little one, Sam, Gus, Linus. Just this guy is missing. What? Yeah, this were all, I don't know, matters. It matters later. It's the right direction? I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit lost because it's still, I have not a map. We have a map. Okay, I'm there then. Okay. We go to our farm. This is our farm. And when we go down here, so much. Ah, look at that. We can also do some fishing. I like that this doesn't take energy. It's in real life it's exhausting, but of course in this game it's not so. But it's good because, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, a little bit of work. Here we could build, you know, like some other things. You can also have animals, yeah, like cows and stuff, of course. So it's farm life. Everything is possible. And it's getting evening, but before I go... Ah, no! Damn it. Then let's take the wood. Not strong enough. Yeah. So we need the blacksmith also help us with the axe. So they were getting stronger, and so we can. It will also take not so long. It's like a little bit. That's what I mean. Minecraft. You have the Minecraft in it. Just want to go here. I think that's the end of the of our place. In this case we have a lot of water because I choose this. Just why not? I think it's also easier because you haven't. Yeah, you have to think what you do. Still. Okay, I think that's it. Alrighty then. That was wrong. That was wrong. Okay, it's getting dark. We have to go. I still don't know what is going on there, but you know what? We need the wood. It is all. Not so much, but hey, let's sleep and save. Level 1 foraging 1x processor. Yes. New crafting recept feed snack. New crafting recept wild seeds. Day 3 farming, foraging. Ah, it's also mining other total. Not so much, but still. Day 4. Now we're saving. So that's the thing we're saving always for the next day.